Today, Eva from Focus Machinery is going to introduce another type of food packing machine. It's to pack the fried chicken fillet. Let me start from the vibrating feeder first. This hopper is the dimple type Teflon coated, so the product sticky problem. And later, we come to a set of easy cleaning belt conveyor. It's the food grade PU belt. We can wash it down directly with the hose. This lid is also easy to remove. We come to this double layer control box. It's to prevent the water drop. Here is the inside of the control box. This is the control panel, e-stop, the stop button, and the run button, in-trim button, and this is the speed adjustable function for the belt conveyor. And this is to adjust the speed of the vibrating feeder. We come to this weigher. It's the 10 hands weigher. The weight hopper is 2.5 liters. You can also see this weigher is made of simple type hopper. You can see there are two dischargers. And this is the tiny hopper. It can release on this side, on the other side. So this discharger can release the product in order, so we can reduce the releasing time and the waiting time from the weigher, so it can speed up the packing machine. Distance between the two clicks. One block is for one release, and it runs a little and then stop. And when you receive the problem from this discharger, it will keep running till next cycle. We come to another easy cleaning belt conveyor. Here is the e-stop for this conveyor. In case there's something happen accidentally, worker can press this e-stop in a very short time. Now we come to the packing machine. You will find above it, this is a gravity type metal detector. Find some metal inside the products and stop packing. And then this alarm you will see here. Here is a alarm device. When it finds some metal inside the material, this will alarm and remind the worker to pick up the unqualified package away. You can see we use good quality of electricity component. This is the Siemens touch screen. Siemens brand and the Panasonic brand and the Schneider relays. Another detail is also the printer. This is, we call it TTO. Thermal transfer over printer. It can print all kinds of contents, and as long as you add it on your computer and upload to this printer, it can print it out, including your company logo, the barcode, all kinds of the pictures and characters. And this packing machine, the max film width it can use is 420 millimeter. It means the max back width can activate 200 millimeters. Proximity sensor. When we open the door, it will alarm and the packing machine will stop running. Is to prevent the workers during the operation. And here we come to this finished product conveyor. This conveyor is also the easy dismantle type. We just need to open these two clamps and we can release this valve. And here is the speed controller. We can adjust the speed on this knob. You can see there are two sets of conveyor, and because our customer's workshop is very low, so we need to use two sets of conveyor to convey the product in 2 times, so we can reduce the conveying height. That's all. Thank you. Bye.